As long as I can remember, I've often dreamed flying as a large black bird. My mom always said, that must be my spirit animal. Spirit animals are believed to be guardians, karmic teachers that come in times of need. But I never believed that. In these dreams, I feel as though I am the bird. I never really thought about reincarnation, but there's something about these dreams that feels integral to me. Something embedded in my past. Was I a raven? Very wise, known for having sharp memories. Much like elephants, they never forget. I myself have a hard time forgetting. But no matter what, even awake, the birds weren't going away. My mom always told me not to make a habit of living with too much focus on the past. That night was different. My dreams seemed more malicious. Something about my dream was darker. I was on that trail looking for anything. What happened in this past life? Something bad happened. Something bad that my subconscious was holding on to. It was taking over my dreams and my thoughts. And why was I reliving this trauma now? I was so caught up, so focused on what I perceived to be images from the past, that I didn't stop to look at what was right ahead of me. Truthfully, you can't really find answers if you're only looking in the past, holding on to something that you have no control over. You're so stuck that you can't even heed the warnings placed right in front of you. Even when they come soaring out of the sky like a big black omen.
When I woke up today and you weren't there to play, then I wanted to be with you. When you showed me your eyes, whispered love the skies, then I wanted to stay with you. Inside me I feel alone and unreal, and the way you kiss will always be a very special thing to me.
Even when they come soaring out of the sky like a big black omen.
When the roof top shone dark. All alone saw a spark, spark of love just to stay with you.